So today I am shooting this video from downtown Edmonton. I just wanted to show you this. Check out that. The beautiful colors, they're starting to change. We're in the fall and the colors are changing, which means accountants everywhere are getting ready for their tax season. In the US, you're in the middle of your nasty fall filings. In Canada, accountants are coming out of the summer and they're looking forward to getting ready for the tax season. Yes, they're already thinking about the tax season. Anyways, the reason why I'm here is I just want to show you, I am going to be going up in the tower there to talk to an accounting firm about implementing the Accountant Success Formula in their practice. I mean, here's the thing, and as I was going up to talk to them, it reminded me of when I was in my accounting practice. You know, when we talk about sales and we talk about selling, it can be really daunting, especially for accountants. We don't like to sell anything. But there's this fantastic business modeling approach that my business coach taught me, and it is called visibility, credibility, profitability, sustainability, scalability. That's my business coach, Chris Flett from Go CEO. And so really, when you're going in to have a conversation with your client, what you're trying to do is you're just trying to be visible and credible. So visible and credible. It's the same thing with me. When I'm going in to talk to these accountants about the Accountant Success Formula, I'm just going to be visible and credible. I'm going to show them what the model does, how it's going to improve their life, and tell them that I know what the hell I'm talking about. Like, share examples of clients that I've worked with, examples of what happened in my life, and so that I become visible and credible. And then with the offer to work with me has to be credible as well. So the price has to be equal to whatever value they're going to get. And that's the two things I'm going to do. So then let's talk about the third part. The profitability is what's in the hands of the client. So in the hands of this accounting firm up there, it's totally up to them whether or not they decide they want to work with me. It's totally up to them to decide if they want to change their life, if they want to go down the path of freedom, if they think that the Accountant Success Formula model is going to work for them. Same thing for your accounting practice. When you're working with your clients, think about this. Just be visible and credible. Let the profitability, let your clients decide whether or not they want to work with you. But be very, very crystal clear on the value that you're providing them so that you're giving them all the information they possibly need. And the last little thing is when you're in a client conversation, last thing you want to do with them is and again, with the Accountant Success Formula, we don't work on a billable hour model. We give them a price ahead of time so the client has all the information to make a decision. Ask them that question. Say, is there anything else you need? Is there any more information that you need to actually make a decision? Is there something else you need to know before you want to be able to work with me? And if they say yes, then give them more of that information. If they still decide they don't want to work with you, that's fine. That's their choice. That's the profitability. But you've done your job. You've been visible. You've been credible. And again, with the Accountant Success Formula model, you're completely credible because you give them the price ahead of time. Like, you don't hide behind a billable hour model. I can't stand a billable hour. It's like a conflict of interest. Anyways, I can go on for hours on this, and I do because I did it in the Accountant Success Formula Masterclass. I did a free whole 4-part video series. I hope you saw it. Again, that was me being visible, credible. And if you decided to buy, great, you're in. If you didn't, okay, fine, it's your choice. It's no problem. It's totally up to you. But again, you know, the seasons are changing. Here it is. We got the colors changing down here. The question becomes, are you going to change for this year? Are you going to go through another sucky tax season? Or are you going to take control over your life and actually change something? If you want to do that, give me a call. Just reach out to me, ericsolbackincpa.com. Let me know. I can tell you a little bit more about the Accountant Success Formula program, the coaching that I do with other CPA firms. And I'd be happy to share all that with you so you can make a decision. So I'm Eric Solback, and wherever you're watching this, please scroll down, leave me a comment, and stay tuned for more success tips to come.